somebody na asem kedu ka mmesi we wolu 3 days if ndị mmadụ na-eme ebe a we compare onye nwelu permanent job, then I will be forced to ask that person, does it mean that those people now contract jobs that they are jobless? Is that what you are telling me? There's those people all have no contract job. You call them for this contract, they come and do it, you pay them, they go. Are you telling me that they are jobless? Now, having said that, this is something that is continuous. For the past two months, money has been sinking down na this ground, and that money is finding its way back into people's pocket. All these things you are seeing here, what services people render, and they have been hired by Zion to render that service here and get their money paid. Do you know the technical crew in all here? Do you know contractors and engineers in all here? How can you people be thinking like this? After the 3 days program, the main job will commence. It will commence till the next 2-3 years. Then another phase will come in. It is not ending anytime tomorrow. From Gowanaiku about 3 days program. Do you know that in this 3 days program, that even when the 3 days program has not commenced, that some people here has made much more money than they have ever made since the January of this year to today? Are you not aware? From the past few days, some people known at this ground, they make it go so much money. He make it go since January till the Zion ground open. Some engineers are not here. Some laborers are not here. A lot of go so much money than a lot of buho since I had you over that all this year. Let us learn to appreciate what is good. For when you don't appreciate what is good, how will you turn around now and start crying when we fail to even see the little that you have done or the nothing that you have done? Because down the water, which one did dinana. You see, that is the challenge again. That is the challenge again. This is something worthy of it. But ye to ye because of no a pastor name ye. If Ebuka Obi created here is massive jobs, people are smiling. Over 10,000 families, directly and indirectly, will be fed from what is happening here. It will transcend into another 10 to 20,000 distant people that you don't even know. You don't even know them. Nime beifula ano. You will still see a lot of people who something. They will just be assigned where they will now transfer to a market after a mature settings. A what I go canopy according to the mother yes we know. Nanya nimeba chetapono nwere ebe ngosiri yesterday iche na afia na azu. Nanya n'ime ba keta e gafum dem nokwa n'ime ba na esi ni fruit ife niile ma ndị na charge phone. Everything is happening right inside this place. Are you going to pretend as if you don't know that what I am saying is the truth? Eh? Do you know what is going down here? You don't know. You don't know because you don't want to know. You don't know because you don't want to know. Eh? Technical crews do you know a go na ye be here? Canopies are neighbor. Do you know how many millions able equipment and the otherwise transportation that has been conveying people to this place? A go no na wale in order natural factory ayalo employ your mother 30 or mother 40. Can you tell me? Sometimes in the buy in a wokumwa dagota Ebuka Obi okay, Seraphic Hospital, Madonna na Seraphic Hospital. Seraphic Water, Madonna na Seraphic Water. All go there ban alu fruit juice, Madonna ya da alu eba. Did you see what is happening here? What is happening here, gal? Both direct and look at Afia, look at Nime ba. Ifini na unde powala Afia ne leyele. Look at all these things if makuka ne all these things if ba u people powala Afia ne leyele. They will be shown the market ebe haya no. After I assign these canopies, just look at fruit, look at everything, coolers, everything. Mandeni, me if ne generator madu develu, tieba na charge phone nanke ya fear. Yaka madu ya no lopota, and you couldn't with weku. na eyi ebe a na-charge generator phone ebe from down iru ebe ahụ efuso phone akwụkwọ ile ebe a people are making their money already. Look at all these things if adobara ebe a wụcha ngwa afịa ndị mmadụ bụ wee bịa here. Look at all these things if adobara majority of these things if chalo ngwa afịa ndị mmadụ dobachala adoba ha ka ya elele. Ịghọtago ụfọdụ na-abịakwa program bulukwa afịa ha yele na ife niile ifule kecha na akpa hia ngwa afịa mmadụ bụ natalụ ọ ya elele hia ọ bịakwuru program ọ ya nọkwa na program a na-ele afịa ipuchekwa n'ụfọdụ bịara program a bịara ịbịa na they will sit down here nọrụkwa ebe a na-elekwa afịa ha na-eme ekikwa their own money ịnọ na-akọ akụkọ within these 3 days or few days ọ ya anọkwa na nga ọkpala ọ ya eme ekikwa ego o ji wee bịa na kedu ife na complain olu. Are you telling me that this is better than that building a factory with 50 workers or even 100 workers is better than this site? Nyegolu over 2,000 people all water more than 3,000 indirect jobs here. Indirect jobs because eguni na ebubata here na apa mada afia ni na azoro all round na apa ndị mmadụ ka ọ na-aba. It is more like Ebuka Obi has opened an ultramodern market, both labor market and the market for goods, both services. Enongo pala. Toni fedumma, if he fedum itoye, if he fedumma, tokeneni fedumma. If he fedum ito, ifedumma. To ifedumma. Onye ya piageta, you know, need to ifedumma. If I get out the Air Force, if I get a flow in the Air Force, wunde biare patrol gari with the helicopter. If for that helicopter, if I Nigerian Air Force combined security no neba wolu helicopter ne take an area view of Zion ground. You got to go. If it is not a joke. Even government of Imo State is very happy. Now, a massive project like this has landed somewhere in Imo State. The Federal House of Rep member I saw yesterday was very happy. He was very happy. Who will not be happy? Unless no na ata amosu. Unless no na ata amosu wonya ya do happy. Melu na elu nulie. Epagari ya n'ime eba. Shenumbe the market is set up. This is different from the Afian Kembungo Serigo. So how can you tell me? Now, after this project, after this 3 days program, now, after guest Ishi back, Ebidozie the main project in Angobala, that project will take to the next 1 year, 2 years. A lot of people will build houses from this project. A lot of people will do all manner of things from this project. Kene Chuku, to informa, if informa, to ni informa.